Harivatsa. Today I made a project named Fire Alarm. In our homes and cinemas, we use this project for our safety purpose. I used thermistor, diode, resistor, LED, transistor, capacitor, buzzer and battery to make this project.
Thermistor, sir.
When heat comes, thermistor will detect the fire and automatically the buzzer give a sound and
Intimates.
for our safety purpose. Let us see how it works.